Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of digital marketing.
The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and for businesses of all sizes, it's crucial to have a strong online presence. But with so many options and strategies out there, it can feel overwhelming.
Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the key pillars of digital marketing, showing you how to harness its power to reach new audiences, engage your customers, and ultimately, achieve your business goals.
Now, what is digital marketing?
At its core, digital marketing is all about promoting your brand, products, or services through online channels. It's about connecting with your target audience where they spend their time, whether it's social media platforms, search engines, or email.